Maybe some of you have made a design in Microsoft Word, namely the shape or image of a check mark in the box, but are confused about how to make it. Therefore I will tell how to friends. To make a check mark in a box in Word can be done in several ways. This time I will share an automatic way without having to make a box first and then the check symbol. Friends, go to the Insert menu, then select Symbols and click More Symbols. Then in the Font section, change it to Wingdings. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the check symbol in the box. Click on the symbol, then click Insert and close the symbol window. To enlarge the tick in the box above, friends, just change the font size on the home menu.